Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off read receipts on Telegram, step by step. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open your Telegram app. Step 2. Now, tap on the 3 lines at the top left corner of the screen. From there, click on Settings. Step 3. Scroll down and then click on Privacy and Security. Step 4, under Privacy and Security, click on Last Seen and Online. Step 5, here you can change the setting from Everybody to Nobody. This will restrict others from seeing your last seen and online status. Step 6, if you want to prevent others from knowing exactly when you read their messages, make sure to enable Hide Read Time. Step 7, if you'd like, you can add exceptions by clicking on Add Users. Then, select the people who can still see your last seen and online status. Once done, click on the check mark at the bottom right corner to save your changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.